Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to another video. It is Sunday morning and I'm here with my girls. Got Lolo right there on the exercise bike watching some videos, and then I have Camila on my luggage that I still have not unpacked from Santa Barbara. So guys, welcome to the new series. This is gonna be episode 1. We are gonna be transitioning into a completely new form of eating. And I'm sure a couple episodes may freak a lot of you OG subscribers out because you guys know me as the keto guy, but it's more about metabolic flexibility. It's about tracking your biomarkers. It's about tracking how your body feels, how your body is performing on whatever you're doing. So in this new plan that I'm doing, there's gonna be an A day and a B day, or what I like to call low days and high days. So today is actually a low day because it's Sunday, which means no training sessions. And my daughters asked me if we can go to SeaWorld. Yeah, it would just be way too hot. We'll go another day. Okay, we'll go another day. We'll go another day to SeaWorld. It's just way too hot right now. It's like 100 and some degrees. A heat wave in Texas. Yeah, SeaWorld right now, probably not gonna work. So I'm gonna show you exactly everything that I am eating today, break down the macros, break down the foods, and break down the meals. So this should be fun. But before we get started, we have to go knock out our morning cardio, so let's go. Okay guys, so before we start this series, I wanna do a flex off just to let you guys know where I'm currently sitting, because I'm not sure how long I'm gonna be on this diet, but I just wanna give you just an update on where I stand. So, are you girls ready? Uh-huh. All right, let's go. Let's flex for them. All right guys, so we got about 5 minutes left of our 45 minutes of fasted cardio. We're almost done. But I was on TikTok, I was on Instagram, and I was making motivational speeches. And so, you know what? I need to tell this to my YouTube family. Listen up, all you moms, all you dads, the young buckos watching this. You're never gonna have time to do anything. And as you get older, and all you parents out there, when you have kids, you know this. Time goes by like that, and time is harder and harder to get to yourself, right? So that's why parents, a lot of older people, they say, I don't have time to work out. I don't have time to go to the gym. I got my kids. I mean, look at me, guys. Look at my messy ass garage. It's embarrassing, right? I got my 2 kids over there. They're watching TV, but they see their daddy working out. I'm talking to them. I'm expressing the importance of exercise. I'm just saying, I'm just like you guys, all right? I'm not perfect. As you can see from my garage, I need to be cleaning out this damn garage. But what I'm just trying to say is, make it a priority. Make it a priority to get better, to get your exercise in, to get your daily walk, to cook your meals, whatever you gotta do to get better. Take care of it today. Take care of it right now. Don't wait till later. Don't wait until it's too late and it's a problem and you're gonna regret it. Do it for your kids. If you're in a rough spot where like, man, I feel like crap, I can't even go play with my kids, I can't even run around, this is embarrassing, nobody's gonna come save you. Only you can save yourself. So you have to want to save yourself, guys, okay? I'm a parent. I got Lola doing push-ups over there. Look at her. Look at her doing push-ups while she's watching YouTube. I love it, man. I love it. I'm telling her to get it. Get it, girl. Encourage her. Want her to know the importance of taking care of your body, and I want you to. So anyways guys, this is my little motivation. I'm in my feels right now, man. Whenever I get on this cardio machine, I start sweating. I get very emotional. I get very in an inspirational mood, because I know there's other parents out there like me who feel like they have no hope, who feel like they're just stuck in this rut, who have kids, have a busy life, work 9 to 5, maybe even longer, and they feel like they don't have time to work on themselves. But I'm here to tell you, yes you do. Yes you do. so meal number one is pretty simple, and if you're familiar with my channel, then you've obviously seen this. You either hate it or you think I'm an absolute genius. So what we have right here is some Frenchy eggs. It is 8 egg whites, 20 grams of peanut butter, and then I can do 50 grams of vegetables, but vegetables don't really go with Frenchy eggs. And so that is what I have right here. But I also threw on some cinnamon and then some 0 calorie pancake syrup. And that is what I call Frenchy eggs. And I got the girls right now. Obviously you saw them eating watermelon. This is meal number one. Now, again, on the weekends, me and the girls are always on the go. So it is pretty difficult for me to be disciplined on my plan. It's much easier if it's like a Monday through Friday, because I know exactly where I'm gonna be. I'm either gonna be at the office or I'm gonna be here at home. So I know exactly where I'm gonna be, where I need to cook my meals, but on the weekends, it's a little tough. So we have a birthday party to go to today. So I'm thinking I'm gonna cook meal number 2 immediately after this, which I'll show you that. And then I'm gonna swap meal number 3 with meal number 4, because meal number 4 is much easier. It's an on-the-go meal, and I'll go ahead and tell you what it is. It's 50 grams of whey with 20 grams of peanut butter. So that's very easy for me to take with me. So I can eat this meal, cook meal number 2, and take number 3 with me. So by the time we get home from the birthday party, I can have time to cook meal number 4 and 5. Yes, you heard me correctly. 5 meals a day. Let's go. Going in, macros, boom, right there for meal number 1. Okay, so we got meal number 2 already cooked and ready to go, because we're about to leave here in about 30 minutes. So I have 100 grams of green beans, and then I have 7 ounces of grilled chicken that I made in the air fryer. So we're gonna stick this in our glass Tupperware. Pick these up from Amazon, pretty snazzy, and they're actually pretty decent as well. So here we go. Got these 7 ounces of chicken. Also, this chicken is marinated with the house seasoning from Flavor Gang. Let me show you how it looks. Boom, right here. This is like my favorite seasoning to use right here. And then I also marinate it with Baja sauce. This is the sriracha right here. Or you can go with the sriracha maple vinaigrette. Either one is good. I always rotate. And then here we go. We got the green beans. Pretty basic meal, right guys? And then also one other thing that's very important that we do not want to forget about. And what that is salt. This is the Redmond's real salt right here. I ran out of all the fine salt, so now I have like the kosher one, but it's all good. I'm gonna do half a teaspoon of salt. Boom, and there you go guys. That is meal number 2, ready to go at the birthday party. All right, guys, we're all ready for the jumping place. You ready?
Yeah!
Let's go.
I want to touch somebody. And remember, this jumping place has a big ball pit.
It has a big ball pit. That's right, and the girls love it. All right, we'll see you there. If I had their metabolism and I was that young, I would gladly jump into that pizza, but I don't. So here's my meal, 7 ounces of chicken, 100 grams of green beans. Meal number 2 going in. Oh, dude, you eat that pizza?
I'm so unlucky because you're big.
Dude, you get to get pizza?
Too big.
I have to eat this crap. All right, guys. Okay, guys, so like I said, on the weekends, we're always on the go. So now we're at my uncle's house, but again, like I said, I brought meal 3, so have it right here. I got my scale so I can weigh it. I got my peanut butter. I have my protein in a baggie, and my shaker cup. So I'm gonna put 2 scoops, which is 50 grams of protein, and then I have 20 grams of peanut butter. When it comes to the protein, you don't have to really worry, right? Because you're just like, it's just 2 scoops. But there's no way you can eyeball peanut butter. There's just no way. So you have to bring a scale. So that's why I'm bringing a scale. That's why I brought this scale. So this is gonna be meal number 3, and then as soon as we leave here, we can get to meal number 4 and 5 to close out the video. And Mina, what are you eating, my love? Corn. Oh my gosh, guess what? Your poop's gonna have little corn in it now.
What did you say?
Okay guys, so finally home and having meal number 4. Again, a lot of you are gonna look at this and be like, dude, that is so boring. But I'm telling you, if you use the right seasonings and the right sauce, this will not be boring. This will actually be freaking delicious. And you'll be like, oh, I cannot wait to eat this. Kind of how I am. So we have 7 ounces of chicken, 100 grams of green beans. We have the house seasoning sauce, and then we got the smoking poppy. And I'm just gonna throw a little bit on the chicken, like so. And then I throw a little bit on the green beans as well. And there you go, guys. That is meal number 4. Macros have been down below. And I got my kids right there. Obviously can't show you them because they are butt naked. You need to put some clothes on, girl. Put some clothes on. They just got back from the splash pad. So I'm not recording them. So here we go. Meal number 4 going down. Let's go. Boom. Okay, it is time for the final meal of the day. This is meal number 5. And look at this. So this is gonna be 8 ounces of flank steak and then 75 grams of avocados. Pretty clean, high protein, and I would say moderate fat meal. And that's gonna be it for the day, guys. So macros right there for this meal, and then boom, right here for the total macros for the day. And yes, guys, this is a low day, so I did not train today. I only have cardio. I have pretty much cardio every single day except on leg day. It calls for no cardio because I need to save as much energy for my legs for the intense leg day workout. So the next episode is gonna show my high day, which should be fun because that's a carb day, and I know a lot of you are gonna have questions and be like, oh my God, Logan, you're eating carbs. Don't panic, Hispanic, everything's gonna be okay. And this is gonna be a fun series to do, guys. So low days, high days, why I'm doing this. We'll bring my coach on. Obviously, you guys are familiar with him if you watch my channel, Ross Flanagan, who actually just competed this past weekend at his pro debut. So shout out to Ross. He's got 15 months to put on an additional 15 pounds, which should be pretty epic. And my daughter just went by and she tripped on purpose. So that's gonna be it, guys, for episode 1. This is a full day of eating for the new series, Low Day. How to eat clean while having a family day, how to eat clean while balancing a family life. Obviously, you guys saw that today, especially on the weekends. It's a family day. We go to the park, we go to my family member's house, we go to birthday parties, but you still gotta plan. You still gotta make it a priority to hit your goals, guys. Nothing in this life is gonna come easy, and nothing in this life worth having is gonna be easy. So you need to plan, you need to execute. So that's gonna be it, guys. Absolutely love you. We'll see you on episode 2. Peace.